What is going on, everyone? Thank you for joining the #1 show for senior care entrepreneurs. Today, we are going to talk about a very important subject. Did you know? Wait, hold on. Before I start, I forgot. Did you do it? You know, the whole like, comment, subscribe thing? Yeah? Yeah? All right, cool. We can begin. I'm just kidding. So anyway, today we're talking about caregiving in the U.S. and what has changed over the last 5 years. So recently, the National Alliance on Caregiving, which was a joint effort done by the AARP, they did a study from 2015 to 2020, what changed. And what we found is that there was an increase in the number of unpaid caregivers from 18% to 21% of our population. That's like 1 in 5 people are taking care of someone in their life. Okay. And the thing is that we are now just facing like the very beginning. We're on the cusp of this massive transition of baby boomers who are just now entering an age in which they may start needing some care. And as the largest generation in history starts to enter this time frame where they're going to start needing care, the number of unpaid caregivers is going to wildly increase. And these unpaid caregivers, these are adult children taking care of their moms and their dads. These are spouses taking care of their husband and their wife that might have dementia or Alzheimer's or Parkinson's or any of those other related diseases. So the thing is that we're going to see a massive increase. If we thought the last 5 years was a significant change, wait till we see what the next 5, 10, and 15 years bring. And the hardest part about this entire thing is that these are unpaid caregivers. And believe it or not, 61% of them are working and taking care of a loved one. So if you think about it, the unpaid caregivers in this country are literally the backbone of our healthcare system. And if we do not provide these unpaid caregivers the break, the respite that they need so that they can be rested, so that they can be, they can be cognitively and physically like able to take care of their loved one. If we don't do that, then the entire healthcare system is going to break. It is going to break and it is going to be catastrophic, and you won't even want to ever go to a hospital or a skilled nursing facility or an assisted living facility or have a home health aide come in the house, because it will break. And when it breaks, it will not be it's going to, honestly, like the idea of the healthcare system breaking in America is something that we cannot even conceive, because we put so much like pride and so much, we as a society are so spoiled over the last like our entire lives. Like, we don't even know what it would be like to be in a third world country, to be in a hospital, that is where you get more diseases or you have more problems coming out of it than you did going into it. Okay. Like, we don't even know what that looks like, but we do not want to get to a point where that breaks like that. And so it's important for us to provide unpaid caregivers, these families that are not only taking care of their own kids, but taking care of their parents or taking care of their spouse and trying to take care of their adult children, whatever the case might be, that pressure that they're going to feel. This is why adult daycare is literally going to be the solution that saves the healthcare system in America. And we are just at the very beginning. We're at the cusp of it. This would be like getting in home care 20, 30 years ago compared to getting into it today. Can you imagine having the opportunity to serve a need in the market that is so great that it is going to have such an impact on people, not only on the seniors we serve, but on their families in a massive way, in a way we can't even truly conceive today. But we are just at the very beginning stages, and I could not be more excited for what this means for the future of America, what this means for the future of senior care. Adult daycare is the future, and we are just getting started. So if you want to learn more about opening up your own adult daycare, or just get more information on what adult daycare is and how it can help, go to adcpro.com, sign up today, join our monthly webinars, get into our private Facebook group, and make sure you come back for some YouTube videos and give us a little like, comment, subscribe. All right, let's go. We'll get back to work. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.